Commitment to something higher than just eating, sleeping, making money, having kids, getting old. We must have a commitment to more than that. Animals can do that. Animals have kids. Animals fodder for food. We need to have something higher. And then Buddhism has to go beyond the intellectual level. It can't just be, I know the stuff, but then everything I do is contradicting to Buddhism. I understand Buddha's teachings, but I'm still worried about money. I still get sick. I still get old. I still worry about kids. Everything's normal. So it's more important not just to admire something. If you're very sick, you cannot go prostrate to the doctor and kiss the medicine and wear the medicine around your neck. You have to take it. If you don't take the medicine and you worship the doctor and you worship his statue, you make statues and put offerings in front of him, and then you take his medicine, you wear it around your neck like an amulet. You know, if someone has a cold, you go like that. You carry the Panadol, you go like that, or antibiotics, you go like that. It won't help you. So same thing with Dharma. We love the Buddha. We have the statue. We have the images. We read the books. We're here. We listen to the Dharma. But we need to internalize it. If we don't internalize the Dharma, how do we get protection from our own negative karma and what we've done? How? We have to internalize it. So now is the time. So when we do Dharma work, it's helping us internalize faster.